we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Shopify app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So then you click here on notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on customer notifications. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here and you come here to order out for local delivery. Click in this sign. Then like you see this color, it's gone. That's mean order out for local delivery disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.